Do you want to level up your audio, whether it's in game, maybe it's watching a movie, maybe it's listening to music, or maybe it's even using monitor headphones for your podcast? Well, I have your solution. Meet the KZ Gale, the headset that gives you the ultimate esports experience and is going to level your game up no matter what it is. So let's unbox this real quick and see what we got, and then we're going to put them on and test it out. Pretty nice. Those are cool. I kind of really like the translucent case. It looks kind of neat. Okay, these are pretty cool. And I'm actually really stoked to try these out. I mean, look at that. It's small. Again, I really like the translucent case. That looks pretty awesome. They have nice silicone ear tips, which is really cool. This is the cable. And actually, it's really neat that they have the cable separate from the actual headphone. So I would imagine you'd be able to buy like a replacement cable if you needed it. Oh, and the cable's translucent too. That's cool. Nice and long, so you don't have to worry about stretching from your controller. That's also nice. So they've got these special ends here, which actually connect to the earpiece. And I would assume... Okay, so I finally got the earpieces on, and you can see this right here is the mic section. I will have to say that it would have been nice to have a little more information on exactly how the earpieces go onto the tube. It wasn't hard to get them on, but you got to make sure you're putting them on the right way. Otherwise, when you put them on your ears, they won't fit right. It's super high quality. I love the cable. I love the design aspects that they put into it with the translucent look. It looks really modern, really cool. The black with the translucent case is awesome, and I'm really looking forward to trying these out. Now, it is a 3.5 millimeter. There is no USB type connection. However, for the iPhone and for Androids, you can get a USB-C to 3.5 adapter, so you could actually use these on your phone if your phone does not have the adapter or the plug. Now, mine does not. It's a S25 Ultra. However, I do have an iPad that I like to watch movies on that has a jack. So we're going to test it out on my iPad, watching movies, listening to music. So let's see what these feel like. So like, you're probably wondering why they're curved. Well, this is a cool feature and one that I really actually appreciate, because I always have an issue with earbuds falling out of my ear. Because they just hang there. Well, this fits over your ear and it helps support the earpiece in your ear, which I love. So you just put it on just like you would, like some of the over the ear things, and you wrap it around, put it in your ear, and there you go, just like that. So then we'll take this one, same thing, put it over your ear. Fantastic. They're comfortable. They're light. Yeah, these feel awesome. Awesome. Yeah, honestly. And here's another thing. So, like right now I'm talking into my microphone, and I actually have the ability of having monitor headphones. So I'm going to try these out on the podcast setup, because I might not have to wear the over the ears when I can have these in my ear and not have the big bulky headset. So let's try that. Okay. So right now I have this hooked up to my SteelSeries Alias Pro box over here that I normally have my normal headphones in, but now I'm wearing these, and it sounds great. I mean, now I don't have to have this big bulky thing on my head. I can just wear these if I want to. That's awesome. I love it. So I'm going to listen to a little bit of music right here. Let's see what it sounds like on the computer with listening to music. Oh, wow. These sound awesome. Wow, that sounds amazing. Okay, so now let's go try them out on the PlayStation for gaming, because these have a simulated 7.1 surround sound. And of course, the PlayStation controller will do surround sound. So let's go check it out. The KZ Gale gaming headset elevates the game like you wouldn't believe. The sound is crisp, it's clear, it's got great bass. They feel great on my head. And it was like a really awesome experience playing, hearing everything going on around me. People sneaking up behind me, and yeah, the gaming experience is amazing. Also, watching movies, all of the surround sound in the movie sounded phenomenal. Again, crisp highs, low basses sounded awesome. Then I switched to music. The music was fantastic. It's so immersive. I could have sat there and listened for hours. So these new KZ gaming earbuds are awesome. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I was a little skeptical because of the size, but wow, the bass was awesome. I like a lot of bass, so I always turn my music up bass heavy. That's just the way I like it. And these right here sounded phenomenal. They have a 10 to 20,000 hertz frequency response range, which is awesome. And because they're so light in your ears and they wrap around the top, you don't have that big bulky headset weighing your head down. And like I was saying, the ultra responsive bass was amazing. So yeah, you can label me impressed. I love the design. I love the color. I love the translucent case. It looks awesome. These are super light, fit comfortably in the ear. The silicone end pieces feel great. Again, you have the dual mic with a mute button, and the cord is plenty long enough to where you don't have to worry about running out of cable with your controller or your phone or your iPad or any other device that you're connected to. The podcast audio sounded great, and as you saw, all the other audio was amazing. So go check out the brand new KZ Gale. There's going to be a link in the description for you to go check it out. Go get yours today, because if you want to level up your audio, you need these. And we'll see you next time.